Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading. Adventure begins at your library for July 2nd, 2024. Mermaid Kenzie, Protector of the Deeps by Charlotte Watson Sherman, illustrated by Geneva Bowers. Mackenzie! Mama mad. Again. Everybody know my name is Mermaid Kenzie, Protector of the Deeps. Mussy Mackenzie, Mama say. Clean up before beach. Mermaids don't clean up. Oh, Mama say. Then this mermaid don't go to the beach. But beach day. Stones to skip, sand to castle, sun-bleached sticks to dig for treasure, seashells buried in golden sand, shark teeth, a stream to cross, holding Mama's hand, till I run off and ramble through the giant cave that echoes. Sometimes we see a pelican parade. At night, lanternfish swim up from the deep, a festival of blue light. Higgledy-piggledy, I say, and attack a monstrous mound of mussy, downside-up, inside-out jumbled stuff. Finally, the wavy dune. Hurry, Mama! Sea waves whispering our favorite watery tune. Mists over the water, briny taste on our tongue, seaweed perfume the air. Gray, the heron, drift past, wing almost blocking the sun. The high arch of the cave calls. I poke pockets of shadow, then an earthly shock, a whiff of worm in my nose and a wet rock. I skedaddle, wind whistle in my ear, till I break at the rocky edge of the glittering sea where, abracadabra, waves turn into foam licking me. A tide pool waits, and a drop of squirmy water to study with my microscope. A giant rock there, too. I clamber up, shivers in my tummy, pause, then plug my nose and slippity slide under the glossy blue. Kenzie! Mermaid Kenzie! Mama head for our blue-bottom boat, Josephina Dose, seabirds crooning and about to sail off song. I wiggle into my mermaid tail and grab my spear and net, and we set sail. We read the ocean like other folks study books. I look for seabirds and turtles and dolphins and whales, and my sea buddy Coco, snout smooth as sea glass, spiraling through the waves with her zoomy tail. Mama puts on her snorkel and mask, bubble cheeks. Then we sink into the water chute past a school of silvery fish, wafting in shafts of filtered light, sea fans swaying. My coils wave too, inside the deepening, darkening blue. The shipwreck rests on the sandy floor, littered with bottles and netting and trash. I kick my tail into a swarm of moon jellies. No, plastic bags. Backstroking, heart beating in my ear. I can't believe it. More plastic bags and fish. When I was a girl, the sea was an underwater zoo, Mama say. Octopus, jellyfish, fingerlings, krill, squishy, squashy sea creatures. What can I do? The ocean is a promise, Mama say. It's broken now, I sigh. Look, will these plastic bits end up in the bellies of my friends like Coco? I search the waves for my freckle-faced chum, and the seabirds and turtles and dolphins and whales. It ends up inside us too, Mama say. The ocean is turning into a plastic stew, I sing. Oh, my friends, what shall we do? I grab my spear and mermaid net and scoop what junk I can. But you said mermaids don't clean up, Mama say. Higgledy-piggledy, I say. This mermaid cleans up for my sea pals. I am proud of you, Mama say, eyes twinkling. Back on the shimmery shore, I spot trash everywhere. Beach do-up day, I declare. Then I whip my tail and swing my net. We'll help, some new friends roar. I am Mermaid Kenzie, Protector of the Deeps, I sing, then spike plastic bags and straws and cups until the glittery lip of the sea is clean. The end. We're gonna make a mermaid, and your craft to go kit includes a mermaid, which I will take off. Here it's stapled to the front of your bag, and your bag will have a bunch of sequins in it. Now there's way more sequins than you'll need, but they're there just in case. You can save those for another craft if you don't use them all. And then you'll need crayons, markers, paints, whatever. I'm going to use markers. And then you'll need some glue to glue the sequins on. So the first thing we're going to do is color the mermaid. And you can make her look any way you want. I'm going to give her blue hair. And I don't have any skin colored markers. I just have yellow, orange, and dark brown. So I'm gonna probably give her orange skin just to be fun. I don't want a bunch of just plain white. But you can do whatever you want. You can make her skin purple if you want. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. It's your project. And I think these are her ears, so I'm leaving those. But go ahead and color, and when I come back, we'll go ahead and glue the sequins on. Okay, my mermaid's all colored in, so I'm going to give her some sequins on her scales. Now you can put the sequins wherever you want. They don't have to just be on the scales. You can put them on her shirt, in her hair, anywhere you want, on her skin. But I think I'm just going to put one in each scale. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue, just a dot for each. I don't think I'm going to fit one on that little green one here. And I'm not going to pick any specific colors. I think I'm just going to, well, we'll see. I'm going to dot my sequins out so I can see them. I think I'll do gold on the green. And silver on the blue. A little more gold up there. I got it. You gotta be careful when you put these on, because the more glue you get to on your fingers, the more the sequins are gonna stick to your fingers. And you probably don't really want to do that. See how this one keeps sticking? Let's see if I can pull out some silver for the blue. I like silver and blue together. And gold and green looks pretty good together too, if you ask me. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then I'll show you what she looks like. Okay, my mermaid's all sequined up, and this is what they look like on there. See, they shine, and that's what she looks like.